Good morning, students. I'm going to start chapter 3. We are spatial. This chapter is about physically disabled person who are not able to see or not able to speak or listen. One of the example of such kind of person is Helen Keller. Helen Keller. She was a blind person but was very famous writer. Now, if a person is not able to see, then how that person is able to write or read? For example, just keep different types of things like pen, pencil, sketch pen, eraser, sharpener in a bag, and just you can try to take out some that things from that bag without looking at that things. You just have to touch that things and take it out and try to identify without looking at that object. Will you be able to identify that? Yeah, so many things you are able to identify. So in the same way, blind persons, they used to identify letters by touching them. Some special letters are made for them or for blind persons. So according to that, they can touch that letters, they can recognize that letters and able to write. And in the same way, they are able to read and write in that way. And such kind of script is known as Braille script. In Braille script, such kind of 6 embossed dots are there. Embossed dots का मतलब है उभरे हुए dots. The blind persons, they can identify these dots by touching these dots, and later on they are able to read and they can write such kind of letters also. This type of script is called Braille script and was developed by Louis Braille. So you can say in Braille script there are embossed indication for all the letters. In this system, the shape of all the letters are formed with 6 embossed dots. Means 6 उभरे हुए dots होते हैं जिन्हें आप टच करके रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. Such how are the blind person able to write? For that, actually, a thick sheet of paper is placed on a wooden slab. एक particular base होता है, stand होता है, उस पे एक thick sheet को रख देते हैं. Then a spatial scale is used. You can see in this picture the spatial scale. There are group of 6 dots are present in each row. On that paper, letters are written by making a hole with the help of a pointed pen. This pointed pen is called stylus. Means ये पिन जैसा pointed pen होता है named stylus. This is used for making dots on that thick paper. After making dots, when we turn the paper, we can see it in the form of embossed dot. And in this way, they are able to write it. Means एक side से वो लिखते हैं, but when other person wants to read that, that person has to turn it, and later on he will get the feeling of embossed dot, and that person is able to read that letter. In this picture, all alphabets are shown here. Now, in exam, a question can be asked like alphabets are given, then they can ask you, how will you write India in Braille script? So you just have to take that alphabet from the whole alphabets, and then you can make whole word like this. या फिर they can ask you, they will give a particular word in the question. For example, India is given, and later on they can ask you to make the word in, I-N, in. So you are able to make it. Or they can ask you to make the word and, A-N-D, and. So just by looking at that 5 letters, you are able to make these 2 words. So such kind of questions can be asked in the exams. Braille script was invented by a person named Louis Braille. Accidentally, he lost his eyesight. Later on, he had come in contact with a person who has made such kind of script by using 12 dots. He was impressed with that person, and later on he had modified this 12 dots script into 6 dots. That was actually much easier to use, because you can imagine to use some alphabets with 12 dots or with 6 dots. So 6 dots will be easy to use. In this way, this script was developed by Louis Braille and name is known as Braille script.